with me and my friend them. Friend them. Friend them. I grade it a kick. I tight. Right now, more than in for share. I grade it a kick.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best, so everything's alright inside. Oh, every morning, I rise, I stare at the sun. I know.
So like how vinegar is to cleaning, pepper is to pepper pot soup.
May I watch them
whether it's summer, winter, or spring, anywhere you are, once you're Jamaican, you love to have soup.
On a Saturday.
Well, usually it's like a Saturday thing, but now it's like soup on a Wednesday, soup on a Monday, soup on a Sunday, soup any day. We've invited some friends, the nomads, to help us soup it up.
Hello. We are spicing this morning. We are at the television, Jamaica. Get up, Chevy.
2 man and a pot of soup. Gentlemen, morning.
Good morning, guys.
Blessings.
It's always wonderful to have you guys here. And so, what kind of soup are you going to make for us today?
What kind of soup are we making?
Well, you know, it's like a nomadic, you know, pepper pot soup.
So what's the difference in your nomadic pepper pot soup as opposed to a regular pepper pot soup?
We are chef it, Papa Chef.
Well,
Papa Chef.
You know
Papa Chef.
I'm calling many names. I go by many names. You know, I wear many hats.
And this morning is Papa Chef.
And this morning is Papa Chef. Because
kitchen guru.
Cooking for the family, you know what I mean?
So, as I said to you right now, we're doing a pepper pot. You know what I mean? A classic Dr. Spice.
What goes into pepper pot soup?
You know what the main ingredient for Iman is the
The ilaloo?
The ilaloo.
Ilaloo, we're not doing
ilaloo. So, and another ingredient that Iman really love to use is coconut milk.
Yes, of course.
And we have to crack a coconut and we...
No powder to your thing?
No. Can't manage it so much.
No
powder. As you can see, we have a pimento and we have to beat out a pimento.
Drop him in there.
Well, all right.
All right, so in the pot we have water. I'm going to see 2 pieces of corn. I love corn, you know, so I don't understand how only 2 pieces you bring.
No, a tree.
A tree, man.
So one away I get left.
You say the corn thing, you love corn, but me really love corn. I just do the corn because I say you love corn.
Oh, bless you.
I put corn on my pot, you know.
Okay.
And that guy right there, so him kind of...
You don't put them in there?
No, he's not real.
He's not real. He's just there for decoration, for color.
Decorate him then.
Bugs Bunny alone.
Eat it.
Okay, so we put water in the pot.
Water, pre-boiled.
Nice green pepper.
Yes, I smell it.
Scotchy.
I can smell
Drop
it.
that, I'm going to drop in some thyme leaf.
All right,
So
you
now
put in your pimento?
I'm not even like too much, you know what I mean? I'm like touch my food and I get your energy now. You know what I mean? Them way there.
So you decide how much water you put in the pot?
You know, say it's really your judgment, and as well, you always have to cover your food.
Your belly judgment.
The water in the pot.
If you're a wanga, you know what I mean?
If you're a wanga, you use enough water, you know what I mean? But you are going with the water in the pot now, if it's just above the food more time.
Right.
And if you know what I mean?
All
so
right.
you can boil properly.
So you put in the pimento and then
so
what else are we adding?
So why this are going now?
Yeah, because it's a special thing.
But Evie, it look like you not cook at all.
No, I cut up all of these.
Oh, you just cut it up?
Yes.
You're not responsible for the pot?
Big up Auntie Claudette in the kitchen.
Who teach you?
Them for way.
Oh yeah.
Cut it up. You're so wicked.
Because of some too.
You just dash your friend under the bus goodly.
And me cut up the stallion.
You just dash your friend right under the bus.
No, but here we are going now. If we stop the live on TV, you know what I mean? I'm there as the security, you know what I mean? For watching, for keeping in check. No live. Tell her anyways, what do you do on TV? Open the pot for me, sir.
Listen what the something.
So here we go. Coconut milk blend up with macalalo.
How much coconut milk?
You know, say I just is a.
Well, I broke the coconut in half.
And that's the truth.
Half of it.
That's the truth.
That's the truth. I'm going to get a small stir with the metal
big
spoon.
fat spoon.
Yeah, you know, or a wooden spoon.
A wooden spoon.
No plastic.
You know, so I wouldn't use a plastic spoon.
No,
I wouldn't.
Why?
I wouldn't.
Say wooden.
Use a. You get it?
Yeah, we get it.
Oh,
Alexa Fire.
Come from, man.
So we have
For all of those people who want an actual recipe, it's about
Escallion.
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 Okay.
Scallion.
As a matter of fact, it's a very good one. So you,
You
just
just
dump
dump
it
it
all.
Yes, I love scallion.
Dump it all. Uncle teach you how to plant scallion too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Rest him soul. And I put it, you see, because they...
Yeah, but it depends on how you like it though.
Some people like it really saggy. I like it a
Yeah.
little bit crunchy. Man.
You like your okra
I
crunchy?
like it a little
How long it
bit.
take okra
anyway.
to get slimy?
Like seconds, the heat just have to touch it.
So it go slimy when it go in there?
So you
But
put
you
it in
like
last.
slimy?
Yeah, but it depends on how early you put it in.
All right, so leave it for a
So
while.
you put it in last.
You must put it in.
One more. No man, it's usually when,
Hold on.
Wait.
Sorry.
when my mother in the kitchen and cook soup and some tune and sing, you know. She a
Yeah,
sing while
for
she-
real.
You know which tune I want to sing from that soup cooking expedition, yeah?
Which tune that?
Whoever clocks like this.
Oh my gosh.
You're barefoot there.
Wait, we
Yeah,
have to
but
we
you
have
can't
to
stand
give you guys the
protest.
background story before they start singing the Clark song. So tell them what happened to your Clarks.
So now, here what happened now. I'm on a plane. I went to the Sangsters International Airport and I'm boarding a two-way flight to Brussels and I checked on my brand new brown Walla Bing Bang Bang, also known as a Wallaby, made by Clarks, you know. So I check it on and feel sweet because I go boss reggae gear in because I go host the show. They must show every Clarks on the television and I might barefoot sit there. So now I'm in constant protest because somebody go in my bag and when I reach a Belgium and open my thing and no Clarks to be found.
Oh my
so now I have contacted the airline and I am seeking
Compensation for your Clarks.
for my loss and also for pain and
You put the earth here or something?
It's sad, man. I mean, anything could have gone in your bag.
Yo, bruv, you find an empty cologne box and it's not your cologne.
No.
Inside of your bag. No, man, we need to forget to
All right, so let's hear the song that comes with the Clarks.
So it go.
Who have a soup like this?
Don't go, man.
Who have a soup like this?
I want some more water though, cause
See water, they didn't bring water
Then bring
for
it
you.
with them.
Yeah, sorry.
I didn't your water.
Let me pour in the water. I'm doing something.
Rich it in.
Rich in the water,
No
guy.
more in my pot. Rich it in.
Richie T.
Anything I do in my pot, you have to rich it in. Abracadabra. Keeps head clean and smooth, leather shine.
All toothbrush make clocks look crisp. Not even clocks have a clocks like mine. One of a kind, exclusive. For keeps it clean and smooth, let it shine. All toothbrush make clocks look crisp. Not even clocks have a clocks like mine. One of a kind, exclusive. My verse
Well-
are gonna start like this. Who have a clocks like this? Big up all real yardies. Wap off and blaze the eyes. Clocks me have a business proposal. Compensated for be influential. Buy Jamaica one brand new hospital. Me say the revolution financial when no man say.
Whoever clocks like this.
Well, not you, Shetty. Well, speaking of Yadi, I heard you talk about it. There is a big Yadi premiere for the Bashment movie, directed by Idris Elba and starring some of my good friends, the Nomads here themselves, Chantal Jackson and Melamine. And it will be a big... Oh no, I bought the soup?
You know, turn it off. Say no, say not used to the kitchen.
I say, how you turn on this?
Oh, you turn it
Yeah, man,
on.
that one there, that one.
Right.
That one.
So
Cameraman said it on the opposite.
you find it? You find it?
Worst time you will
Come here,
No,
come
is it,
I'm
man?
afraid.
Yeah, man, it's man. It's same one. It's same one.
It's same one.
Turn it.
See there?
Yeah, man, turn it.
See
yeah,
there?
man. Yeah.
All right, so it's going to be a movie.
No,
Knock it off.
No, you see.
Come on, knock it
Alright,
off.
we are turning it on.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Simmer it, simmer it.
Yeah,
tell me now.
Yeah, this time.
Tell me about Yadi.
yes,
The
my
premiere
dear.
is on Tuesday, and you guys will be jumping on a plane tomorrow to go to London for the premiere of the film. Tell me a little bit about
I'm
that.
telling you,
It's the most beautiful experience.
We're jumping on that flight, bruv. To
Mama,
represent
there you
Jamaica,
are,
bruv.
guys.
Wave the flag.
There
Wave the
they
flag
are.
with
That's
pretty
Sheppy
high.
up in the record parts, and that's
Yeah.
Chantal over there, and that's Amin on the other side.
big lead actor.
Yes.
All right.
And of course, you know, this movie was directed by
Jamaica
the
to
Idris Elba.
Yes, and a lot of other Jamaican actors.
Enough,
are
enough.
in it,
Christopher
yeah.
Johnny Daly.
Oh gosh,
Whole
man,
heap
yeah.
with
Johnny
Jamaica.
have a big line in the
Yeah,
movie,
man,
you
hear
know.
about it.
Mash up theater all over the
Hear
world.
Any language,
Any language, any
Any
color skin.
ethnicity, anything.
Yeah, any color
Anywhere.
eye, anything.
any animal.
Well,
it
we're
just
gonna
smash
go
them
for
up.
a break, and then when we come back, hopefully we can find maybe like a trailer for it, and and play it for you, and then we can talk about it.
Hopefully the soup ready by then.
Oh.
Ready for the soup.
Who have a soup like this?
Bongo man.
Who have a soup like this?
TVJ.
Morning time like this.
So me I live my life today. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life. So me I live my life today. Make a change, don't make nobody.